Hello, my name is Toby Paik, and today is a very special day because Dangelico Guitar sent me another guitar. I don't know why they keep sending me guitars. I already have this beautiful guitar and I'm thoroughly enjoying it, but I don't know why they sent me another one. So I feel obligated to make a review video. So let's get to it, shall we? You can do this. Can I hire someone to do unboxings for me? I really appreciate the fact that Dangelico guitars always comes in this beautiful hard case. And the case looks amazing. That's not good. Do it from the other way. I'm doing this right. Okay. That's a nice looking case. I like that. You still there? You still with me? I'm not. I need a drink. I need a break. By the way, cheers for your support and thank you for watching this informative video. Cheers. I just wish there was an easier way to do this. On the bright side, I'm getting my workout in. Since the gyms are closed, the only way to get fit is by unboxing guitars. Just give me one more minute and I'll should be ready to go. Okay, I think I'm ready. Let's do this. Okay. It says made in Korea over here. Maybe that's why they sent me this guitar. Guitar itself feels fairly light. Wow. That colorway looks really cool. I like that. Let's switch the camera, give you a better angle. Well, I just really like their gold hardware. And I think this finish is very interesting. It's like a gray, it's like a matte satin gray finish. There must be an official name for this, but I never read the official description, so that's the headstock. Their signature Dangelico headstock. I just can't get enough of it. Definitely like the inlays as well. That's very interesting. It's like a block inlay with like a striped mother of pearls. Back of it, it's got that nice contoured body. Yeah, made in Korea. Deluxe Brighton. Matte charcoal. That's what it is. This isn't bolted on, which I really like. It's a neck through build, which I really appreciate. This is such a neat looking guitar. Okay. Let's see. It's got the 3-way toggle switch. And oh, it's got the push-pull knobs here. I just really like that. And it comes with locking strap locks, which I really appreciate, because some guitar companies, they're like such high end and you spend high dollar on it and they don't come with strap locks, which is just kind of like upsets me a little bit. Well, nice and simple. Also really like the neck finish here. It's got like a very thin C-shaped neck. It's got like a, not quite like a wizard neck, obviously, but it is very thin. It's got a wide neck. I like it. It's got 22 frets and you can easily reach the top fret. It's almost like an SG type build going on here for me, feels like. I quite like this guitar a lot already. I'm gonna see what this sounds like now. Okay, first things first, before I plug this guitar in and test out the sound, I need to give a sniffy to see whether it's worth having this in my fleet. Very faint, doesn't have much scent to it. There's not much scent going on anywhere, but on the neck it smells like my old roommate's washing detergent. I'm not joking, this smells like my old roommate's washing detergent. She always forgot to take out the trash, even though when it was like her turn and I used to just passive aggressively just tell her, but she just didn't get it. But anyhow, I would rate this scent 2 out of 10 just because it has a scent. Okay, guitar is plugged in. I am going through a Line 6 Helix Native, just a clean channel. Just before I go through the sounds, just want to say thank you to Justin from Dangelico Guitars for sending me this guitar. The guitar, I really like the fact that it's got this classic shape. It feels very thin and just slim, and it wraps around your body very comfortably. And the neck feels very smooth and fast. Even though I don't really guitar solo that much, it just makes me want to go up and down the frets. Just a very smooth, fast neck. Anyway, I will just shut the up now and play you some tones, go through some settings. Here we go.